Visitors often leave just seconds before converting. What if you could start a conversation exactly at that moment, before they disappear? With FormyChat Smart Triggers, you automatically start WhatsApp conversations at the most impactful moments, when users are most ready to engage. Exit intent detects when someone is about to leave. Instead of losing them, FormyChat opens WhatsApp to re-engage before they bounce. When users scroll deeper, they're more interested. Trigger WhatsApp chat exactly when curiosity is highest. Give visitors time to explore, then gently prompt the conversation. Smart timing without interruption. Before triggering conversations, you choose exactly where FormyChat appears. Exclude pages you don't want the widget on, or show it only on the pages that matter. Don't let leads slip away. With smart triggers and WhatsApp instant engagement, you convert at the perfect moment, every time.